have a few options to choose from. You can go to places like B&Q and Wickes and buy the timber from there, but I generally find that not only is it more expensive at places like Wickes and B&Q, you also get lower quality timber. Now, in the times I've walked through B&Q, specifically B&Q, Wickes are just as bad as well, and you have a look at all of their lengths of wood and they're all twisted and split, bowed, and they're no use particularly for anything. So the other option is going directly to the timber merchants, obviously the businesses that's specifically about to store and sell timber. The timber merchant we use is called Wickes and B&Q. There's loads of different types of timber merchants about, such as Wickes and B&Q. There's Travis Perkins, there's Heavey, and there's places like that. They will change from place to place. I know that we have a few local timber merchants here which are different to any other local timber merchants in other counties. So you might not have Wickes and B&Q available, but have a quick look on Google, type in timber merchants near me, and you'll have a list of places to go and visit. You can also call them up and get quotes on wood prices over the phone. I would recommend going to have a look at the timber in person though. That way you can hand select the pieces of wood that you want, and then you can pay for them after. You can also get lengths of wood cut to size at these timber merchants. They normally have a milling area where you can ask for these lengths of wood to be cut to custom sizes for you. Please hit the subscribe button below so you can keep up to date with all our latest videos.